About this item: 5-in-1 multifunctional power strip with 2 AC outlets, 1625W/13A, and 3 USB ports, 5V/3.1A, which can support 5 electric devices simultaneously, like cell phones, iPad, laptops, lamp cameras and many other devices. It is ideal for household, office, outdoor travel, and other places. High-speed USB charging ports. Each USB port can intelligently charge up to 5V/2.4A, total 5V/3.1A, and helps to eliminate the need for using multiple chargers. With smart charging technology, the power strip can auto-detect your connected devices and can reach faster charging efficiency. Would charge your cell phone, iPad, tablet, cameras without a variety of converters. Upgraded power cord and right-angle flat plug. The 5 feet long extension cord is very thick and has better current carrying capacity, 13A. Flat plug eliminates bulky awkward cords from cluttering indoor decor and minimizes tripping. 45-degree angled design doesn't block the bottom receptacle of your duplex wall outlet. Cruise ship travel/home must-have. Comes with no surge protection. It's absolutely a must-have. Home and cruise ship accessories, as cruise lines require that power strips do not have surge protection. Portable size and compact, designed to fit into luggage and briefcases during your trip. Outside safety system and service support. Power strip is made of high-strength fire resistance ABS and PC shell, making it fireproof up to 1382 F. It is also certified by RoHS, and can prevent your electric devices from overcurrent/overcharge/short circuit/overheated. 1V provides 12-month free worry 24H customer service. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 5-in-1 multifunctional power strip with 2 AC outlets, 1625W/13A, and 3 USB ports, 5V/3.1A, which can support 5 electric devices simultaneously, like cell phones,